Welcome back. Today we're making Paccheri, which is one of my favorite pasta shapes because they're really good at catching whatever sauce you make with it. And they're also known as schiaffoni because the noise they make when you toss them around in the pan or when you eat them is like a slapping noise. And in Italian, schiaffo means slap or smack. So yeah, today we're eating slaps with sausage and pepper ragu. All right, let's get started. Okay, I got 4 sweet Italian sausages here, which is about 12 ounces. And I got the pan heating up to medium high with just a drop of avocado oil. You can really use any oil you want, just so it doesn't stick right off the bat. And now I'm just removing the casing from the sausage, then dropping them in. Okay, now I'm just gonna go at it with a wooden spoon until it's ground up pretty fine. Okay, one workout later and the sausage is all ground up. Now I'm just gonna cook it until it's fairly brown and then all the fat renders out. In the meantime, I'm gonna chop up an onion. So the onion is gonna be the beginning of the sauce. So we're gonna start by cooking the onion in the sausage fat and then adding the peppers. And then we're gonna blend it all up until it's smooth. So the cuts don't necessarily matter too much. You just want them to be small enough where it will cook down fairly quickly. So just sort of nice slices. Okay, now the sausage is sort of nice and crispy. So now, just gonna remove it from the pan. And then just using a slotted spoon here so we leave behind some of the grease. Then right to here, I'm gonna add in the onions. Give this a stir. And the moisture of the onions will help get the fond, which is like the brown stuff, off the bottom of the pan. Okay, I'm also gonna crush 1 garlic clove and add it to the onions. So just removing the paper, give it a smack. Okay, and now while these cook down some more, we're gonna start cutting up the peppers. So we got 5 small-ish to medium bell peppers here. So 3 red, 2 yellow. We're just gonna slice them up. And red and yellow, I think, are like the best tasting ones. And it will also make like a nice orange color when we blend it up. Kindergarten art coming in handy there. So just gonna slice these up. Again, doesn't really matter like how technical your cuts are, just has to be fairly small so it cooks fairly quickly. And make sure you cut off all of the flesh from the pepper, just leaving the white part and the seeds, because even like up top here, it still tastes the same as the other parts. So that looks pretty good to me. And then for these parts, just give them a nice chop. Now we're gonna add them to the onions, and we're on like a medium-low heat, so peppers straight in. Okay, now I'm also going to add a nice drizzle of olive oil, big pinch of salt, and a sprig of basil. So we're just gonna stir these around for a minute. Okay, they've been cooking like this for the past few minutes. So now I am going to add maybe like a half cup of water. And that's just gonna help them steam and cook faster. Now I'm gonna cover them partially with this lid. All right, we've been going for about 15 minutes here. Looking good. I can already tell the peppers are pretty soft, so I can just cut one with the wooden spoon. So maybe about 10 more minutes. We can turn the heat down a little bit. Also gonna take out the basil stem because that's done its job. About another 10 minutes have gone by. So now they're definitely as tender as you need them to be. So you can turn the heat off, and I'm gonna add them to the blender, and we're gonna blend it up until smooth. Okay, so just carefully transfer it over. Okay, gonna give it a quick blend. And whenever you're blending hot stuff, take this part out of the blender and then just cover it with a kitchen towel so steam can sort of escape. Just gonna turn it on. Okay, now just give it a quick taste test, but just tasting for salt. Okay, very good, just a pinch of salt, and we'll be good to go. Okay, water's boiling, and then right in with the pasta. So the package said 15 minutes. They are quite big, so I do imagine it will take maybe the whole time, but I'll probably go for like 13 minutes to give them a taste. Okay, they've been going for about 12 minutes, so I'm just gonna take one out and test one. Yeah, actually kind of perfect. So I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna grab some pasta water just in case we need some. But now I'm gonna drain them in the sink. Okay, heat is off, and I'm just gonna add like a tablespoon of butter. Kind of optional, you could also do a little bit of olive oil, but I just wanna coat the pan in some fat on the bottom. Sauce right in. Gonna add a little bit of pasta water right into the blender. Okay, quick stir. Now the sausage from the very beginning. Pasta. So gently stir them around because you don't want to break them. Touch of pasta water. I'm going to turn the heat onto low and probably for a couple minutes, and that will just completely finish cooking the pasta. And then it will absorb the sauce. Okay, I just forgot, I just wanted to add a couple small basil leaves at the very end. Give that a stir. Now let's eat. Okay, a little extra sauce. And then a little bit more basil. All right, these are some solid smacks. Hope you guys give them a try. Thanks for watching. See you next time.